my loves, welcome back to my channel. Yay! So this is another crystal top for dinner. I'm showcasing it for you all on my driveway, runway. And let's see if we can get these holes to stay put. They're big and they keep getting off. I don't know what's wrong with them, but let's try again. Okay, and so this is a crystal top, netted top that I absolutely love, and I love the I love the kikiriki shorts that go with it and the crystal sunglasses. I have to put on my crystal sunglasses because it is so sunny and I don't want to squint, and I have my crystal bracelet, and and then my silver hoop earrings and my afro. So this is the look for today. It's actually fall or winter, but today is sunny, so I decided to go ahead and showcase it for you all. So I've been on a roll showcasing these crystal tops that I think are fabulous. They are in tune with the spring 2024 runway, and so I am here to style, my edition for you all. So there's, I believe I got this either from Amazon or from Fashion Nova, and I love this little crystal. I think this is Akira, and I love these little crystals on it. And I have the kikiriki shorts. Key shorts are fab, and so this is the look for today. Comment below and let me know what you think. And then the sauce keep rolling down, so I'm gonna go ahead and roll them down. So let me do a quick showcasing for you all. So music. the showcasing of this look, comment down below and let me know what you think. Comment down below and let me know if you think this is a perfect look for dinner. And please don't forget to vote for me for the Fab Over 40 contest. We are getting to the end of the contest, and so I need your support to make it. Thank you, Mr. Vlaney, for your continued support and donations. And thank you to all those of you that have continued to vote, utilize the free daily votes. I appreciate it, and I see you all. And, I'll take you all with me if I win this behind the scenes to show you all how it plays out. So, but anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with us. I really do appreciate it. If you like the vlog, smash the like button and share with your friends. And if you have not already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe icon here or here, depending on where it may be on your screen. And please do turn on the notification such that you'll be notified when next I upload another vlog. So, my loves, till next time I upload another vlog, you all continue to take care. You all continue to find your happy place. Kisses. Kisses from far away. Kisses from far away. Kisses from far away. Goodness.